All right.
Three.
I don't even know who that is. No, I said I didn't. No, I don't know who that is. Mike Harris? Is that who you say? I thought you said somebody's specific name. I was like, who the fuck is that?
We push on. We persevere.
We persevere.
Alright, then I'm gonna wait on those. Alright, thank you.
Thank you. Gentlemen, enjoy the rest of your show. Thank you.
Hey, what's the website?
ShreeAminc.com. SREAMINC.com. Smokers rule everything around me.com.
We did this one.
Good. White ring.
Right.
You good too. Oh, he was on the other one.
Y'all don't get a just as getting out just as hopping at the beat. Red wig, down to my knees.
Man, so far I was like, now we get the film stuff. Because it's just been like backboard displays the entire time. Right? What's this? Ew. That sounds vile.
What's the website? What's the website? Freedom and Kanna Insurance.
Weird.
So, interesting thing.
Looky, looky, looky.
Oh my god, pretty good. What's the name of the? How you doing? Big baby. Okay, that's good. That's good. Got new stuff? Anything new?
Oh yeah, we get some little gammers and some
Cool. We are here. Filming every booth, every product.
Oh, is that what you're doing?
That's what we're doing this time. Well, today.
Well, I was like, we gotta go back because it's all the glass blower stuff.